tumble, crawl, yank. All these are action verbs. Hi everyone, Pratibha here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will help you learn 30 plus action verbs and I am going to try to make them more easy to learn. Before we started, if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to click the subscribe button and do like if this video helps you learn just a little more English. First action verb is soak. Soak. For example, soak the pulses. Second one is crawl. Crawl. For example, the baby crawled. Third action verb is cover. Cover. For example, cover your eyes. Fourth action verb is knock. Knock. For example, knock the door. Fifth action verb is grab. Grab. For example, grab the rice pot. Sixth action verb is blow. Blow. For example, the trees are blowing in the wind. Next is lean. Lean. For example, do not lean on my arm. Do not lean on my arm. Next one is share. Share. For example, you can share your problems with me. Next is kneel. Kneel. For example, he was kneeling in front of his mother. Next action verb is saw. Saw. For example, how to use a hand saw. Next action verb is give. Give. For example, give me a glass of water. Next one is yank. Yank. For example, she yanked open the drawer. Next one is slip. Slip. For example, he slipped on the ice. Action verb is close. Close. For example, close the door. Next is open. Open. For example, open the drawer. Next action verb is hang. Hang. For example, hang out the clothes. Next one is grind. Grind. For example, grind the spices. Now, moving on to the next action verb, spray. Spray. For example, quick spray can refresh the flowers. Quick spray can refresh the flowers. Next action verb is tumble. Tumble. For example, you can tumble from here. You can tumble from here. Next action verb is ride. Ride. For example, can you ride my horse? Can you ride my horse? Next action verb is sit. Sit. For example, sit down. Next is stand. Stand. For example, stand up. Stand up. Last one is tightened. Tightened. For example, have you tightened up the rope? Have you tightened up the rope? This is the part 2 of action verbs. You can review the part 1. The link is in the description box. And that's all about today's video. I hope you have learned something from my video. Stay connected for more videos and thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe to my channel.